Let's make crispy chicken sandwich. Starting this off, we're gonna slice a few cucumbers and tomatoes. Then we're gonna add the special mayo dip on our bun. Our special dip is ketchup and mayo mixed together. Now we're gonna slice our chicken into 3 parts. Then we're gonna cook our chicken to make it more tender. Next, we're gonna make our marinade. Buttermilk, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. First, we're gonna let our chicken marinate. Flour, paprika, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. Mix. Then we're gonna coat our chicken with our breading mixture. Now we fry. Depending on the size of your pan, do not overcrowd them so much. Our chicken looks amazing. Let them rest for a few minutes on the wire rack. Now we're gonna toast our bun with butter. For the last part, we're gonna assemble our chicken sandwich. Place our cucumber on top of our mayo, then our lettuce, then our wonderfully fried chicken. Then we're gonna add our tomato. Finally, let's place our bun on top. There you have it, our crispy chicken sandwich.